Introduction to Technologies for Teaching and Learning. So it's all about ICT, and ICT stands for Information and Communication Technologies. So sa panahon po natin ngayon is napakalaking tulong na po ng technology, especially sa online communication. Papadali na po natin makipag-usap sa mga taong malalayo sa atin, and hindi lang yun, marami pang iba, pwede na rin tayo makapagbenta through online, and yes, basta napapadali na talaga within the ICT. And the second one is Sir Galoso also discuss about media technology and learnings. So yun is all about learnings. Kung ano ba yung learning, it is all about acquiring new knowledge, behaviors, skills, values, or preferences na nag-i-involve ng different types of information. We also have here the types of learning such as habituation, sensitization, associative learning, classical conditioning, imprinting, observational learning, play, enculturation, multimedia learning, e-learning and augmented learning, rote learning, informal learning, formal learning, non-formal learning, tangential learning, dialogic learning. So, ilan yun siya, marami yun siya, and meron yung mga the domains of learning such as yung tatlo, cognitive, psychomotor, and affective. Sir Galoso also discussed the ICT national or international policies that are applicable to teaching and learning. So we have here 8 policy themes. Number 1 is the vision and planning. Vision and planning, it's all about having a vision and providing mechanisms for funding, ganon. Meron din infrastructure. Number 2, ensuring adequate power, providing sufficient equipment and networking infrastructure. Theme number 3 is teachers. Yes, supporting teachers in their use of ICT. And number 4 is skills and competencies. Number 5, learning resources, supporting the development, disseminations, and utilizations of digital learning resources. And number 6 is EMIS, supporting the collection, processing, analysis, and dissemination of education-related data to relevant stakeholders. Number 7 is monitoring and evaluation, assessment, research, and innovation. So the last one is theme number 8, equity, inclusion, and safety. It's all about articulating and supporting efforts to promote ethical practices related to ICT used in education. Hindi ko na alam yung iba. That's all.